Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Perplexity AI for smarter research and answers. It's a game changer. So let's get started. First, you need to ask specific questions. Start with a clear and direct prompts like this. And the Perplexity AI will give a detailed source answers, not just summaries, but with pictures also. Then you can click continue. You can also follow up the mode or ask the follow up questions without repeating your topic. Like for examples, what are the biggest challenge or any recent studies or reports? And this keeps the research deep and focused. You can also get the sources instantly. Every answer comes with the links and real sources. This is perfect for fact checking, citation, or diving deeper into academic or professional content. These are some examples. The numbers provided at the last sentence are the links to the real sources. We can also summarize and compare info. Try summarize this research paper and you'll get a fast, accurate breakdown with the context. So you can ask for examples or insights. You can ask or request a real world examples, frameworks, or even codes from excerpts to enrich your research. Perplexity AI isn't just a research tool. It's a research assistant with verified info, source link, and powerful context handling. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.